Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring your iPhone is updated and Apple Intelligence is enabled. In Settings, turn on Intelligence and grant WhatsApp access so it can read context. This lets suggestions appear. Once done, open WhatsApp and confirm microphone, notifications, and Siri permissions. Now create or open a chat where you want assistance. Make sure the contact's messages are visible. Apple Intelligence pulls recent messages to build context, so the assistant can suggest replies and actions relevant to the conversation. Once Apple Intelligence is active in a chat, you'll see suggestion chips and message summaries. Tap a suggestion to insert a reply, then edit it if you want a personalized tone or details. You can also tap the microphone to dictate changes. For long threads, request a concise summary to catch up fast, or ask for translation when messages are in another language. Make sure to confirm any facts or times. AI speeds composition, but you remain responsible for accuracy and tone before sending. To finish, review the AI-generated reply, attach files if needed, and hit send. If suggestions aren't helpful, adjust the tone or ask Apple Intelligence for alternatives before sending. For privacy, manage intelligence permissions in Settings or disable access for WhatsApp per chat. If suggestions stop appearing, try toggling intelligence permissions off and on, force close WhatsApp, and reopen the chat. If that fails, restart your phone. Most issues resolve after a permissions refresh or app restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.